Many global packaging customers prioritize long-term mechanical stability and strict quality assurance when selecting a new automated corrugated box flexo printing slotting machine. Addressing these critical manufacturing requirements, Suzhou Rencheng assigns dedicated quality inspectors to each production process to ensure exceptional engineering standards, with professional engineers implementing strict quality control protocols and comprehensive after-sales support systems. To fully guarantee stable and reliable performance, all critical components of the complete machinery utilize premium international brand parts, undergoing thorough factory debugging and pre-shipment performance testing. Structurally, the main unit features 40mm heavily reinforced steel plate wall panels, perfectly combined with precision ground and hard chrome-coated rollers. The integrated electrical systems are powered by premium industrial brands like Schneider and Inovance. Under standard daily factory maintenance, this robust packaging equipment is fully engineered to maintain stable operations for a service lifespan of over 10 years. Contact our specialized technical sales engineering support team today to request precise machine parameters, and remember to subscribe to our official channel for more advanced manufacturing insights.